pushing it in.
Yeah.
So
We're not going to be push.
Okay.
So
they're gonna get they're gonna get this lip on the outside, and then I'm gonna pull it, and this is what the string is gonna be what pulls it.
Correct.
The seam inside.
Now,
to not against this thing.
yep. So you're going to be.
Yeah, I gotcha.
So to
Now
clarify,
you do the same thing, but don't take it out.
Yeah.
I got this one to hold it.
Like this.
No. Give me a hand. Get in there. Oh, see what I mean?
Yeah.
It doesn't take much because you're going to slip right out, but keep your angle up.
Yeah.
Keep your angle. There you go.
Okay.
Because it'll make it. Yep.
So it's like a right angle to that.
Correct. So you want to be 45 degrees that way.
From whatever the.
Yep, and
so,
maybe
So when I
50.
get up here, then I'm gonna be going.
Right,
down.
and then you're going to be pulling down, so it'll be all the way through. So we'll leave these twisted
All right.
so they don't come
so
out.
to clarify, Scotty, you're pushing while Oh Girl goes
I will
around the
be
world.
gently pushing because my back and foot is now. I'm dead.
You're pushing while Oh Girl goes around the world.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's fine. All right.
Fine.
So we need 4 hands here, huh?
We need more hands. Hands.
Hands on deck.
Hands.
I'm busy.
Battle stations.
Hey, we did both yesterday, putting body panels on cars.
So I'm gonna
I'll grab this.
Busted.
Set.
Okay, I'll get inside.
I'll let you get inside.
All right.
Good, we got it. We got it. We're good.
Woo!
This is right. Deluxe.
Mike came to Pop Rivet Revival yesterday.
All right.
Grab the rope.
All right. I got my strings.
Okay.
We're in.
We're gonna go up. We're gonna start with this corner. So we'll give you a little bit of help.
I'm gonna get all the action here.
Okay. So
We're gonna
as
kind of
you
tilt it in there. I see.
Yep.
And then now I'm gonna go around and get. I want to get this lip over the thing,
correct.
right?
So leave this one alone.
Where's your tilt on the steering wheel?
Where's the tilt on the steering wheel?
Damn tilt column's broken.
All right. So we'll
Okay.
keep that one down.
Yep.
And we're gonna go.
This one we'll just leave right there. Just
then we're
use
gonna-
one hand,
And then we're gonna go
and then go
up
up.
like this.
Have you push gently towards me? Okay, not. No, you're gonna have to pull. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. It's not going to be the easiest thing in the world, but it'll.
Oh, it's going now.
Yep. Once you get a rhythm, you'll be fine.
It's that front
Yep.
seat
Keep
rhythm.
going. Keep going.
Would you like the Commodores playing? To get a rhythm? I'm sorry.
Come down just a little bit.
Through a goose.
Funny to me.
Look at that.
See what I mean? It's super, super easy.
Yeah.
So you gotta pull the headliner in too?
Remember, you got to go like that.
Yeah.
As you're
Oh, I
going
see.
around, you're going to have to go down.
I see.
I think we can tuck the headliner with our little plastic tools.
Oh, the
Ooh, Allie with the dual cam action.
Right.
Okay. Now remember, when you get up to the top, you're going to have to start coming down.
down this way.
Yep.
Okay.
See the difference?
Yeah.
Now come. No.
Yeah.
Pull. And as you get
Oh,
to
I
the
see.
top,
Oh, look at that.
we've got to keep it.
I see. You keep the pressure on.
Yep.
Oh, this is clever.
No, don't pull up. Don't pull up. So we've got to keep enough pressure on this for you.
Oh, hold on. I gotta get in.
Just be careful, it's a little
6'5"
slippery.
man in a car that's as big as him.
It's fine. All right. It's not.
Keep going. Keep going.
Why isn't this light working?
Oh, this rear view mirror is gonna be tricky.
We'll get it. We'll get it. Keep going. Keep going.
Do we want to pull that mirror?
See if you can just gently edge me a little bit this way. Beautiful, beautiful.
Oh, that's easier. Yeah, keep.
Look.
No, I mean it started moving like it was.
Wait.
It's in a little
Should
bit
we
too
pull that
tight.
mirror? 'Cause look at how tight this is for his hands.
Yeah. Yeah, that's gonna get.
Is it a
tricky.
Phillips?
It's a.
Nope,
it looks
actually-
like. It looks like it's a.
Actually,
that's
what-
a Phillips and that's a.
What you'll do is
Yeah.
just go behind
kinda
the mirror
flat.
like that.
Oh, I
And
see.
if you have to come down a little bit further,
I see.
now is where it's going to start getting a little tighter.
Oh, there.
But
oh, look.
there you go. See what I mean? Okay, there you go. Yep.
Oh, it's falling off anyways. Look at that mirror falling right off.
Oh shit.
Oh, look at you, girl.
Follow him. Just keep some pressure going down.
Oh fuck.
Wow.
Oh, it's.
I guess we leave the.
Okay, keep
Oh, yeah, we're good on the mirror.
Whoa.
Oh.
I can probably catch it from this side if we can go up a little.
If you can.
We're really not that far out.
There you go. Okay, now are we in on the inside?
Yeah, you're in on the inside.
Keep going. Uh-oh. Now
Okay,
it's
now
tucking
now
in.
that you're there, come towards me.
Yeah. Oh right.
Yep, there you go. Yep.
It's not fully
It's not
seated,
going to
though.
be easy, but you'll get it. Okay, keep your fingers out as much as you can
Yep,
because we'll be
yep.
pushing in.
Okay, keep going. Push.
Yep, keep pushing, keep pushing. Keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing.
It's
Oh,
below rough.
Hold on, got it.
okay.
I got this side, go ahead.
Okay.
Keep pushing in, keep pushing in, keep pushing
2
in.
inches.
Keep pushing in, keep pushing it, keep going, keep going, keep going. There you go.
Nice work.
Woo!
Oh, grow.
Now can we hit it with the hose? Make sure it doesn't.
Yeah.
There we go, there we go. Did we get it?
You gotta put the outer piece in there.
Oh,
Yep.
Because there's another lock in there.
Yeah, the chrome piece.
The chrome piece holds it in.
Well, I think if I didn't clean it so good, this wouldn't work so well.
Did we not make it in all the way?
Good
through?
Hold
job,
on to
Peter.
cleaning of it.
You did it.
Folded over just a hair.
Okay.
You did it.
If you can get your fingers in up top, just pull it up and you should be able to slide your finger right down.
Look at that.
Or you could get like a plastic pry tool.
Nope, nope. Any will cause this to leak like a sieve.
Smush, smush.
Like the old one.
Smush.
I'm so
Hey,
tired.
Allie, give me one of those blue.
And that's why I like the fact that you got the red grease because it also
paper
helps
things?
keep
Yeah.
a good seal on everything.
Yeah, because that's good waterproofing, right?
Yep, it is. It's really good stuff.
Yeah, I mean, you can see, I mean, this stuff is viscous as shit.
Oh yeah, I mean I'm sticky
So
as hell.
that should spread when the.
Oh yeah, we'll get it a little bit more when we get the piece in. So what we'll do just to help, I think if we take the chrome piece and run a little bit of grease here, and it should slip right in. And
Chrome piece needs a little Scotty.
now how far off are we on center? I did the best I could to get it center.
Oh, it looks pretty centered. Here's the sound.
I'm going by the hood.
Yeah.
How far off, if at all?
Pretty close, like
Thank you, it's fine.
60, maybe.
Probably as good as the Fiat
How many
plant
millimeters
Yes.
is that?
or better.
4, maybe 5. Literally
Yeah.
4, maybe
Nice
5.
work.
Wow.
Well,
That looks
Scotty
much
didn't
better.
have
Yes.
a bottle of Chianti
It
for
does.
lunch like
How about this over
fucking
here?
Fiat
Is
place
this
would
okay
have.
over here?
No, it would be Marlowe. Definitely Marlowe all day long.
You're a Merlot girl?
Oh, very much so.
In that corner too. Was that corner correct?
Well, we're
Is that corner
You
good?
did pull
Put
the
it
stick.
in, it will tend to.
They will.
When you push the metal in, it'll.
Oh yeah,
flatten it
it'll.
out.
But we got to get Scotty doing the polish work.
Yeah, we're not gonna put that back
We're
in.
not doing that today.
Oh, I got a polish.
Yeah, because that's gonna be a little bit of work to get that polished up. And
Time.
clean.
You did a good job on that.
Well, look at that.
Wow,
Good
we got a
job.
Clean rag, we can wipe everything off and get up any loose grease and clean the windshield.